Hello Trades! Today we are going to review GigaPips EA. This EA is one of the best EAs in the Forex market. I started trading this EA with an account of $1,000. Right now, I have a balance of $1,593.12 in this account. If we look at the history of this EA, the special thing about this EA is that this EA only takes one trade at a time. This EA has started trading this EA from August 5th, 2025 to September 30th, 2025 and has made a profit of $593.12. This EA can show you the MyFXbook account related to this EA. Accordingly, the drawdown has been very low for the past 2 months. It has taken a very low value of 9.85%. This EA has taken a gain of plus 59.31 and a daily gain of 0.81%. This EA has a monthly gain of 27.27%. If we look at the monthly analytics, this EA has a percentage of 18.14% in August 2025 and a percentage of 34.85% in September. If we look at another MyFXbook account, the gain has taken a percentage of plus 110.51%. The drawdown has taken a very low percentage of 20.52%. This EA has taken a very low percentage. You can download this EA by visiting our website as shown in the screen. You can also join our Telegram channel. If you have an idea about the video, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy trading. Have a good day.